you fix a flat tire with Flex Seal? We're gonna find out today. All right, first off, we're gonna try to pop some holes in these tires. We're gonna take all these drywall screws and lay them behind the tires, and then we're gonna run over them. All right, now I'm gonna turn the truck on and we're gonna roll these screws over.
Dude, you're backing over him still. Pull forward. No. Pull back. Go back. Go back, dude. Oh. Dude, you're rolling over the screw. Where?
All right, screws didn't work. Next is the mallet. We're gonna beat the crap out of this tire and hopefully pop it.
Harder. Here, use this.
Yeah! Oh, it's going. It's going. It's going. I see it. Harder.
God. It's not popping.
Didn't work.
This is a non-repairable flat. Trust me, I'm a professional.
Oh! Shoot! We didn't even see those! Alright, the mallets didn't work. Next up, the Harbor Freight jack stands. Obviously, we all know these things are super dangerous, so they probably will pop the tires. Alright, now we're gonna back over the stands.
It's on top of it.
Did we pop the tires yet? Alright, we need to start getting a little more serious with this popping stuff. Obviously, these did not work. Alright, we're stepping up the game. Got wifey here in her bow. We are going to blow this tire to pieces.
It's just gonna bounce off. It did bounce off.
Oh my god. Alright, the bow wasn't quite strong enough, so we're stepping up the game even more. We have an impact drill with a 3-inch screw we're gonna drill directly into the tire. Here we go.
That was anticlimactic.
Alright, we need a little bit of a slow leak here on this bolt here. It's getting a little, oh shoot, it's getting crazy. Oh my speed. No one operator, what's your emergency?
Help, you're coming.
All right, we're stepping it up even more now. We got a drill and drill bits. Hopefully this can actually pop the tire. Uh-oh. Flex Seal, quick! Flex Seal!
Back up, back up.
Ready?
Close your eyes, close your eyes.
Good, back out. It's not working.
Put it out, put it out.
Super great.
Super glue, top shelf, drawer.
Here, move.
Your hand's gonna get stuck together, bro.
Yeah! All right, next up, we're gonna sharpen up this pickaxe, and I think this is gonna be the final detriment to these tires. Oh, that is going to slice and dice. When you look at it like that, you can really see how freaking sharp that thing is. All right, we got our sharpened pickaxe. This is gonna be the death of this tire. Oh my god.
Hold aboard.
Flex Seal's fixing that.
Oh, it should. No problem at all. All right, we got both the tires flat now. We're gonna get these off the rims and Flex Seal these suckers. All right, time to begin Flex Sealing. We got an entire can for 2 tires. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna spray it on both sides here, the top side and the back side. We're gonna let the tires dry and come back in the morning and drive on them. It's the next day. We're gonna mount the flex sealed tires onto the rims. All right, so we had a massive rip here and a massive rip here, and the flex seal has completely sealed up our tears, so we might actually have a chance at getting around on these things. Oh.
What is
Done?
I'm so confused, dude.
There it is.
Ah.
Jump on it.
Yeah, she's getting in there.
Oh.
Yeah, see that? Yeah, that's what we do. That's what I've done. I mean, yeah. Other side, other side. Get on it, get on it. Oh yeah! Oh! Careful, careful. This is gonna be a little awkward.
That's it. Oh my gosh! Seth to the rescue! It's actually holding! That's only 100 pounds. Uh-oh. No!
Flex tape, dude.
There you go, right there.
You gotta get inside too.
Not towards the shop.
There.
Alright, who's lighting it?
Light it. Go! Boom! I love the smell of aerosol in the morning.
We need like 10 times what we just had.
What? Pee on it. Seth, back up.
Throw it on there. Oh, come on.
I've never seen one. Careful, bro.
What would you do if you were stranded on the side of the road
I don't
when you're
know.
climbing?
I don't know what they use.
It's still
I brought my
on
rock
fire.
climbing gear if you want to go. That smells great. I don't. Is there?
Dude, I literally stepped on it with my foot. Dude, it worked. Oh my gosh. Tires are on the rims. Now we're gonna put them on the truck.
Nice. That's really nice.
Solid as a rock, dude.
We really don't need another
Oh! She's on the rims.
Not sagging back at all.
So we lowered the jack on the flex seal tires, and we don't have a perfect seal, but I think we're gonna have enough to be able to drive around. So we're gonna try to rip around on these things to see how long the air can actually stay in the tires. Obviously the Flex Seal did not work as a tire patch. Looks like for a tire alternative, duct tape tires takes the lead.
Come on. Yes. Come on, easy.